funny. Majority of the clients I have now, or even co-instructors, they're saying, oh Angel, you're good, you're a good instructor, which is, I really do appreciate when they say that. It means a lot. But behind that, of course, you will remember stuffs that other people told you or even done to you, from former clients to another instructor, that makes you feel like, am I good, or am I should I stop doing what I do, or should I still pursuing this? Makes you discouraged and upset, right? Okay, story time. Way back in Philippines, when I was still there teaching in this big crowd in a certain place, so I'm always have this gift, let's just say a gut feeling that there's something odd, even people in front of you showing you nice, but I have that gut feeling. But anyway, so I'm feeling like something wrong, and then one time a follower of mine messaged me in Facebook and saying, hey Angel, do you know this person? I said no. There are attendees on your class, but they're always at the back. Did you know that they're having this paper to sign up for all the client there to make you leave, to stop teaching there? And I said, no, I didn't know that. And the company or the sponsor didn't told me that that's happening. So I always feel odd, and I feel kind of like upset and down, knowing that these friends of mine who's always in front of me didn't even tell me this going on. I knew it from a client, and I told her, I appreciate you telling me, because at least I know what's going on and I'm not blind. I told her and asked her why, what's their point, what's in the letter, and they said like, well, they just don't like you, and they said some stuffs, and then they recruit people and say, oh, you like her, we don't like her, we should sign up, and we have a paper here to sign up that so we can eliminate her, and they will change her as an instructor. And then on the next session, I asked other clients if that's true, and they said yes. Actually, these people comes there and just randomly pass the sheet for them to sign, and then majority of them are also my followers and say, I'm not gonna sign that, because they disagree with it. I asked the management about it, and they said, just ignore it, Angel, but for me, tell me. You can just tell me in my face and be professional, not behind my back. So at least I know what's going on, and I can tell my part, and at least change what you don't like about me. In the end, they just don't like me. At first, I thought it was me as an instructor. I'm not good and ineffective, but they just don't like me. Some people are like that. They will not like you for no reason.